Hello guys, welcome to Book Bites World. Today, we'll learn 3 powerful lessons from Atomic Habits by James Clear, a book that teaches how tiny changes can create big results over time. Lesson 1. Small habits matter more than big goals. We often focus too much on big goals, but Atomic Habits reminds us that daily small actions matter the most. If you improve by just 1% every day, you'll be 37 times better in a year. Success is the product of small habits, repeated consistently. Lesson 2. Make habits easy and obvious. James Clear says, to build good habits, make them obvious, easy, and satisfying. Want to read more? Place a book on your pillow. Want to exercise? Keep your shoes ready by the door. Design your environment to make good habits natural. Lesson 3. Progress is invisible until it isn't. Imagine an ice cube in a cold room. The temperature rises from 25 degrees Fahrenheit to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Nothing happens. At 32 degrees Fahrenheit, suddenly the ice melts. Habits are the same. Change feels invisible at first, but when you stick to it, results explode suddenly. Be patient. Your breakthrough is building silently. And that's the magic of Atomic Habits. Focus on daily improvements, make good habits easy, and trust the invisible progress. Remember, small steps every day lead to big dreams coming true. If you enjoyed this animated summary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring book lessons. See you in the next video.